my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this unit that was sent over to us from AliPearl Hair. So I'm just going to cut to that unboxing really quick so you can see everything that she came with. So this is how the unit looks here. I've just had her chilling on my mannequin head. Don't look at her. Her face got a little messed up. But she's been like sitting over here on the mannequin head. That is the U part. So she does have those two clips that you clip in right on either side of your leave out that you leave out in the front. And then also a clip in the back where you can secure her as well. She does come with adjustable straps and another clip in the back if you want to pin her down. The hair feels very full, very soft. I'm loving this texture. So I'm excited about this one. The first thing I'm going to do is plug up my flat irons and let those heat up because I know I'm going to have to flat iron my leave out, which I have not done on my own in a while. So that'll be interesting. So I'm just going to set them to the side for now and prep my hair. So my hair is pretty clean. I just washed it about maybe 3 days ago. And I had a couple of plaits in it underneath my wigs, all my headband wigs. So now I'm just going to show you how I section off my leave out. And yeah, let's get to it. Let's try her on and see if that works. Shoot up here. Okay, yes. Yeah, that's fitting a lot better. A lot better. Cool. Let's see how my real hair is going to blend with this unit. Okay.
Hey, babe, good luck for
to just go ahead and wand curl her because my hair was not cooperating in the best way. So I wand curled it all over pretty much, and I am happy with how it turned out. I got very little shedding or tangling from this unit, no tangling really. So I do love that, and as I mentioned, the texture of it and the density, it blends with my natural hair perfectly. So if you have a texture similar to mine, which is like a 3C, then I think this would be a perfect blend for you also. I really like how it responded to the heat and the wand curls, and I think it came out cute. So let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate you so much for watching this video in full. Once again, special thank you to AliPearl Hair for sending me this unit to review. And I will see you in the next one.